Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace and blessings be upon you. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Rabbul Alameen, wa salatu wa salamu Allah, ashrafil umbaya wal mursalin. Sayyidina Muhammadu wa ala alihi wa sahabahi ajma'in. Wa ma alayna illa balagul mubin. Greetings to everyone here to support this event, and particularly greetings to my brothers and sisters. I am a proud Muslim and a leader in the New Zealand Police. I am horrified, as are all my colleagues in the New Zealand Police, around the events in Christchurch yesterday. I know this is a very, very distressing time for our Muslim community in particular, but to everyone in our communities, in New Zealand and also right around the world. We want to reassure you, we are doing everything we can to ensure victims of this devastating attack are treated with the utmost respect. We are working with the Muslim community and community leaders to provide us as much support to everyone affected by this tragedy. You will have seen an increased police presence in Christchurch, in Auckland, and in fact nationwide, particularly around our mosques and Islamic centres. This is a precautionary measure to ensure the safety of not only our brothers and sisters, but for our communities all around New Zealand. I wish to reiterate the message: if you see anything at all suspicious, please call 111. Do not hesitate. I want our Muslim community in particular to know, and the people of Christchurch to know, that we stand with you and we all share in your grief and in your pain. We, the New Zealand Police, will do everything we can to support our wider community and in particular our Muslim communities. Inshallah.